Hey everybody, I'm Jer. Welcome to my YouTube. I just want to say that shorts are screwed with this Sopa stuff that just came out on the 23rd that I am noticing. There was some 13 Gs filed with SEC per on the Edgar search. Let's go ahead and go over there and take a look at this. Okay, so we look at this. It's a 13D1. It's a filing for to show ownership of stock. And this first one here is from Reynald Leong. I don't know if I'm pronouncing. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Okay, so he is showing 3,264,950 sole voting power shares. He is showing 1,264,950 common stock shares. Okay, so common stock shares is what everybody has. That's what they trade on the stock market. He also owns 200 shares of Series X super voting stock, but that doesn't matter. I mean, it matters for the company because he has some voting power, but it doesn't matter as far as like trading stocks on the stock market and common shares of stock. Okay, so aggregate amount beneficially owned by each reporting person, 1,264,950 shares, okay, which is 6.7% of common stock, which is a lot. Okay, so that probably wouldn't seem like such a big deal. And it almost seems like, oh, well, they're filing this like he must have just bought them with, prior to the stock price going crazy. But no, this was an event that happened on November 8th. So this puts him in the lockup. So he is locked up with 6.7% of the stock. And so 1,264,950 shares here. So that's 6.7%. We'll just say 6.7% locked up. Great. We go to this other this is the lockup agreement. We go to this other filing, and it's from the CEO of the company, the primary owner of the company, actually, where he did one also for November 8th. The event was November 8th. Reynald Luen. Is this the same person? This is not. This is. Let's go back up here. This is also November 8th. Okay, this is the other one. So these two are the same. Let's make sure. Okay, so this is the CEO, and this is discussing the lockup period. This is the other guy. But let me make... Where is the main page? Okay. And then this is the other guy. Okay. So this is the other guy. This is the one we just looked at. This is the CEO and primary owner of the company. Sole voting power, 38 million. That is the Super X super voting power shares, which you don't care about. Then we have the sole dispositive power, which is the 5 million. So, okay, so we scroll down here. He owns, first off, through this Maroon Capital Limited, shared voting power, 1,688,900. So 8.8%. We should write these all down. Okay. Yes, come on here. Come on here. All right. So 8.8% ownership. Then we scroll down here, 8.6% with this Gopher Capital. This Blue Jay Capital, 10.2%. This is crazy. Okay, so and then he himself, Dennis Nguyen, I know I'm pronouncing that wrong, sorry. 29.3% of outstanding shares of common stock. That 5 million there that he owns. So he owns the 94%, which is at 38 million of Series X super voting preferred stock, but then he owns 29.3% of outstanding common stock. 3%. All right, so we go back here, and he owns 6.7. Okay, so this is how we're going to do the math on this is insane. So we go here. It's a 180-day lockup period. You can find this on SEC site. So 6 months from when this was filed. Let's look. Does this have a date? November 8th. So lockup for 6 months. I think it puts it into April. I believe it's April or May. Okay. Let's do some math. Okay, 8.8% plus 8.6. 8.6 plus 10.2 plus 29.3 plus 6.7. 63% of shares, 63.6% of shares are locked up until April or May, per these filings that just came out the 23rd of this month. 63.6% of shares. Let's go. Let's use Weeble's numbers. Thank you. Okay. Let's go to Sopa. Let's look and see what they have as far as numbers. Free float 11.26. Where shares outstanding, they have it at 19.18 times. Okay. $19,180,000. That can't be right though, right? Okay, wait. 0.63 times. Wait. 0.636 times 19,180,000. Yeah, so 12,198,480 shares are locked up out of 19,180,000. 19,180,000. Oops. Minus 12,198,480 So there are 7 million shares available. Right around 7 million shares outstanding. Because 60, yeah, so more than half of the, like 63% of the shares are locked up. Which means that shorts are, wow. Because there's even less shares than what we originally thought. We originally thought that only 20, what did he have? Yeah, what did he have originally? Let's look at this. Where are we? Yeah, so 29.3%. Yeah, that is crazy. So only 7 million shares trading, where we thought that there was a lot. Like, we knew about this 29.3, his ownership, like just based off of um, the prospectus here. Like, if we go down here, where is he? Yeah. So they control the 71% through that voting power. Um, common stock offered by us. So yeah, that much more being locked up is just insane, and shorts are screwed here, because we didn't know. Like, there was no way to know that until these filings that happened the 23rd. So that is crazy. I did not expect that much more to be locked up. 7 million shares is all that's available, with more than 12 million shares locked up. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Just wow. Okay. I just wanted to share that, go over those filings, because I've been talking about Sopa lately. So I wanted to talk about that because I saw that and wanted you all to know that that had happened. Crazy. Wow. Oh, I feel so sorry for. Well, I don't feel sorry for shorts, because they knew that this could happen. Like, anything can happen, and still there could be bad news that happens for uh people who are along the stock. But I don't think they can do an offer. They might be able to, so I don't want to say that. As best as I can know from reading the filing, it doesn't look like they can actually do an offering. So until that 6 months passes, there's not much that can happen to save shorts in this, unless they can somehow magically pull off an offering, which is possible, I guess. I don't know. I From reading the prospectus, I couldn't see that. Maybe someone else can see that. I don't see that. Um, yeah. Shorts are going to struggle now. I mean, they were going to struggle before anyway, but now they're really going to struggle. I'm going to do another video in just a minute talking about what I see happening, but I wanted to share this in a video and talk about those filings so people know what's going on. Okay, love you all, and I will see you very, very soon. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.